Overlooking here the Gori Valley on the fortress here. You can see the round edging of this building. Rostam of Kalkali. Let me see. Kind of underneath the Safavids of Iran, Persia. It was commissioned to rebuild this in the 17th century. Notice the roundness on the structure. There's a very Persian influence here. So let's see if we can see some more Persian influences up here as we go up. This round structure is very Central Asian, Persian. You notice if you look at Ottoman and Turkish are more squarish. And you can see he rebuilt this 17th century. Probably most likely the earlier foundation there is from before that time period. Walking up, actually, you'll see some of this early brickwork. You see how in Tbilisi and some of the older buildings, flat brick. Most of the rest of it is rock. It's like rock from the area. It's very possible this wall was earlier, or the original 17th century time. And it's a Rostam Khan. It's the one that rebuilt it in the 17th century. Rostam from the Shah Nama. Very Persian name. A lot of the early Georgian leaders had that Persian influence. And some of the names especially. It's even very Persian. Some of the designs, archways. Beautiful views on good clear days. Like cloudy today. In the middle there's a big hole which looks like it used to be a dome. I see a formation there. Formation there with rocks. Let's see if you can see it on the other side here. Yeah, another formation for the dome. The other option that this place could be is that it was storage for water, and because it looked like there's no down below surface exit way or entryway. Even right here is looks like another source of maybe water going in. Who knows? So there's one here. Next to that impression, or that water deposit, there's another one right here. You can see that was here formerly. Also down here you could see that there's ruins, excavations in the past on the hillside. Other houses or places to barricades or barracks for the soldiers maybe. Beautiful views, especially on a clear day. So over this hill here would be where the ancient church is, Ateni Saini, probably over this hill, down the next valley, up on the next hillside. And you can see the roundish fortifications on the outside. I love how the Georgian Republic makes cross up here on top. Even down here on the walkway coming up, you can see this remains, probably from the older structure, 17th century, and they're redoing a lot of the exterior currently. You could tell, actually, look at the rocks on that, it's very Georgian, because the large rocks, which before that is smaller rocks, but these are the big, large rocks that they use a lot in Georgian architecture. You can see as they redo it today.